welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Udoh, and every week I try to share content on things that I'm actually implementing in my life to improve my finance and also create wealth. So my channel is basically about personal finance and wealth creation, but from time to time I like to share some useful information for my subscribers who are also looking to start or grow their YouTube channel. So today I want to talk about a tool that I've been using to build my channel. So you can see right now I currently have 121 subscribers. So I'm fairly new to the YouTube space. So the tool I'm talking about today is called TubeBuddy. And TubeBuddy is basically a browser extension which you download. There's a free version and so also there's a paid version, but I'll suggest you try it out and then sign up for the paid version because there are basically more tools that will really help you build your channel. So this is my YouTube channel. So this is the TubeBuddy icon right here. So if I click on that, all right, and then you got the dashboard, you got your videos, you got your playlist, comments, analytics, and then you have other tools here, Keyword Explorer, SEO Studio, etc., etc. But the two main tools that I use is the Keyword Explorer and the SEO Studio. This is what I've been using right now to rank my videos. So let's just go to my dashboard and I'll show you what I'm talking about. There's a video I just posted today on top 10 success hacks for 2020, and you can see right now it's my number one performing video right now based on when it was published and how it's ranking. So let's go in there. Excuse my internet connection while it pulls up. So you can see that's the video I'm talking about, and you can see the ranking right now in terms of views. Okay, got about 11 views so far, and it's a brand new video, and my impressions click-through rate is 15.4%, which is not bad. All right, for fairly new YouTube channel, even though I've been on YouTube since 2006, but I only recently took YouTube seriously and started contributing to my channel. And you can see I currently have 121 subscribers, and in the last 28 days I have gained 56 subscribers. So I really want to thank all my subscribers out there, and I appreciate everything they've done. So let's jump back into TubeBuddy. So with TubeBuddy, this is how I use TubeBuddy to rank. So let's just go back here. Let's go back to my dashboard. So the topic of this video is top 10 success hacks for 2020. Now I'll show you how I was able to use the keyword ranking tool for TubeBuddy to create this video. So if you go back here, you click on Keyword Explorer, and then I'm just going to type in top 10. I already did a search, so it's going to come up, see? So right there, top 10 success hacks for 2020, how anyone can achieve success regardless of your current situation. So if you click on that, so basically what TubeBuddy does is it checks the YouTube platform to see and collect data, okay? So based on the data that it collects, it will tell you if that was a good keyword to use or not. So you see, based on that, it told me weighted based on my channel, okay, this was a good keyword for me to use. And then unweighted basically looks as, this keyword isn't too competitive and has enough search volume to make it worth targeting. So this is how I create content. I use this keyword explorer to research keywords that I will use to create my next video. So you can see right here, this was a very good keyword for me to use. It's not very competitive, and I was able to capitalize on that. Now let's click on results. That's me right there. And you can see my video right now is ranked number 1 in terms of search results. Out of 40 or 39 actually, my video ranks number 1. And you can see I only just created this video so far. And these are all YouTube creators that have been on the platform for a long time. I mean, you can look at this. This has 1.01 million views, and I just started and I'm ranked number 1 just because I was able to use this tool. So this is how I use this tool to grow my channel. So it has been very helpful for me. Like I said, there is a free version and there's also a paid version. I will leave a link in the description of this video where you can click and try it out and then see if it's something that really helps you. Like I said, I only just started this YouTube channel recently, and so far I'm already at 121 subscribers, and you can see how I'm doing. So let's just check my analytics right now. So basically my analytics will show me how my channel is doing in terms of my videos and my reach and all that. So you can see right now I'm currently, see, views are up. Your channel got 6,492 views in the last 28 days. You can see here my views, my watch time, subscribers. Currently, I have no revenue because for you to earn revenue, you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which I'm striving towards right now. So you can see all that. So that's pretty much, you can see my data right here. So let's go into my live. So right now, let's go check out my live data. Let's see how my channel is doing right now. And I'm sure you probably know how to use this. So you can see here all my stats, all my views. Okay. And these are all my top performing videos right now. All right. And basically I use TubeBuddy to do my research. You can see that top 10 success hacks, which was published today. I'm already at 11 views. All right. And this is another video at 354 views so far in the last 48 hours. So keeping this short and sweet, let's close out of here. So TubeBuddy has been very instrumental in getting my channel going. Like I said, my channel is basically on personal finance and wealth creation, but for you to be able to build your channel, regardless of what niche you're in, you need tools. And one of the best tools so far on the market right now is TubeBuddy. So I'll suggest you give TubeBuddy a try. I'll leave some links below. You can click on that and also subscribe to my channel. If you're new to my channel, so you'll be notified of more interesting videos I have there, and also spend some time on my channel, check some of the contents I have you might find useful. So thank you very much for listening through this, and I hope you give TubeBuddy a try. It will really help your channel grow. So until next time, take care, and I hope you enjoyed this, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye bye.